name is Hernan with Granville Homes, and I am here to show you what to do if you are experiencing no hot water. There can be multiple reasons why you are experiencing no hot water. Let's start by figuring out if it's happening in an isolated area or throughout the entire house. Check to see if there are multiple sources throughout your home for no hot water by turning on a lavatory sink, tub, and shower. Please keep in mind that it may take approximately 4 to 6 minutes to receive hot water depending on the external temperature and location of the source to the tankless hot water heater. If you are not receiving hot water to your lavatory or kitchen faucet, check the following. Check to see if the hot water valve under the sink is in the on position. Check to see if the aerator on the sink faucet is cleared of debris. If it is a double sink vanity, follow the same process for the other faucet. This will help determine if the issue is due to the fixture itself. If you are not receiving hot water at your shower, check the following. Remove the shower head and rinse out any debris. Reinstall the shower head and retest for hot water. If this still does not work, please see the Delta video on our website on how to adjust the limit stop. If you are not receiving hot water throughout your entire house, check the following. Turn on your kitchen faucet to activate the tankless hot water heater. Go outside to your tankless hot water heater, typically located on the exterior side of your home. Make sure the switch to your tankless water heater is in the on position. On the tankless water heater, you will notice a black screen. If the hot water is on, there will be a red symbol identifying the unit has power and is active. Look for a code on the screen. The manufacturer has several codes that will help determine if a failure is taking place. See the manufacturer's user guide for code information or try online research. For example, code F14 means thermal fuse failure, while code F29 can mean a failure due to condensation. Quick tip, please keep a distance away from the end of your condensate line to allow for proper drainage. This is helpful to know, especially if you plan on having aftermarket concrete work installed. If after troubleshooting you continue to have issues, please contact our customer care team.